Math highlights. Algebra. First question. What is the value of a minus b times a minus b? Here is some option like a square minus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and finally a square plus b square. Look, here is a minus b times a minus b. So we can write this one a minus b whole square. So very simple, the answer should be number B, because a minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So right answer is number B. This is very easy math, but if you neglect these kinds of math in examination hall, you will face big problem. So don't neglect small math. Next one, 1 by 2 inside bracket, here is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, and what is the value? Here is some option. So what can we do? Look, this one we can write, here is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. This has a rule, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. This one, look, this one we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Plus in here we will get a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? And it should multiply by 1 by 2 because in quotient has 1 by 2. Now look, here is plus 2ab and here is minus 2ab, we can out. So here is 1 by 2 and here is 2a square plus 2b square. Once we take common 2, so here is 2 times 2. Once we take common 2 and 2, so inside bracket a square plus b square. So these 2 and 2 out, the answer is a square plus b square. It means number A. Number A is our right answer. Next question. This one is number 3, right? This one should number 3. Now look, here is inside bracket root 5 plus root 3, another bracket inside root 5 minus root 3. Just think, it's looking like a plus b times a minus b. What does means? It means a square minus b square. Therefore in this one, this expression we can write root 5 square minus root 3 square. So root 5 square means root and square out, here is 5, also here root and square out, minus 3. So answer is 5 minus 3, it's 2, right? So 2 is our right answer. It means right answer is number A, which is 2. So no more today, this is a short video, but I am trying to solve 3 very easy type math. Next video we will try to solve another 3 or 5 video little harder. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel Math Beat, where I am trying to do math and IT based question. Okay, thank you.